written by international publisher. So from now onwards, we have a practical book on project management for effective decision making, and it is like a map, you know. So project managers or senior executives or even the freshers don't have to do anything, but whenever some risk occurs, they need to just follow it as a plan. So it is a simple and compelling book with 3-in-1 aspects for effective decision making.
Okay, thanks. And how is this book a game book? You want to say something? Sorry.
Yeah, that is your second question.
Yeah.
I got inspired about writing this book because when I was working as an auditor and seeing the problem of various, so I thought of addressing this gap, and I have done professional certification of various certifications which other people do. But people used to waste around more than 1 lakh to 2 lakh money, but still the outcomes were not easy. So I decided to address this huge gap and write my book, which is a practical book on project management.
Thank you so much. Manoj, as per you, how is this book a game changing in the market?
See, it is a game changer in the market because there is no other, rarely any book on practical aspects of project management. It is very simple to read, and I have reduced the complexity of managing projects or organization to a 12th grade level. So from now onwards, even a 12th standard person can easily understand how to run entrepreneur, how to become entrepreneur, or how to run their organization. So it will give like that.
I think if you break it down in pieces, nothing is as complex. When you think about risk, there are two prominent questions that you ask yourself. The life is all between this. The first one is, can you afford it? And the second one is it worth it? So if you ask that question before you start anything, rest of the answers you can find in the book.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, when it comes to reading, which is your favorite genre? And in the family, who happens to read the most?
Okay, so my family is a bit lazy, so they have, outsourced the reading to me. So I read a lot. I read about 1 book a week, and I have been able to at least complete 50 for last 3 years every year.
That's really nice.
Don't ask me whether I even remember the names. But yeah, I read only the non-fiction and the business.
Thank you so much.
Burned or kind of stopped by his wife.
So when I made my new home, I was stopped to make a library in it because I spent most of the time there.
Thank you so much, sir. My question to you, Mr. Angal, is you met Manoj, and this is it happens to be the second time that you met him today. So I would like you to share with the audience also, because I think it's a very nice incident which even the audience would like to hear.
See, there are few esteemed people from film industry here, and we always think what happens in film never happens in real life. This random guy, we are just talking about books, me and my wife and children, and he was standing at few feet away. Like, I went, and I don't know, I felt like I'll introduce myself, exchange cards, and we forgot about each other. Like, for a year, there was no call, no connection. One fine day called, talked about writing the book, and then we got together again. And after that first meeting in Crossword, Mashi, we are meeting today, again in a bookstore. So it's a funny coincidence, and we ended up, he was working on his book, and then we are exchanging some ideas and all that. So meeting in a book, working on a book, and then coming here to formally publish the book, and that can go with. That's it.
Thank you so much, sir. So my next question to you is, you've trained a lot of professionals, yeah? So how do you think Manoj's book will bridge the gap?
Yeah, it's a difficult question. Project management is a complicated issue, particularly when we go to non-IT, monument of disasters sometimes. So in non-IT projects, we have a lot of challenges on that. And in spite of all the certifications, academics, there are actual working tricks that you spend like 5 to 7 years to understand the basics. And what I found with Manoj's book when we reviewed that is he's fusing IT and non-IT both experience together, and it's making it very easy. And that's the way I think it will work well. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Manoj, my next question to you is, while writing...
Challenges that while I had promised Sohail that I will give you my book within another 2 to 3 weeks. But then suddenly I got health issues. I was suffering since I was hardly sleeping for 1 hour every day for around more than 6 to 7 months. It created a vitamin B12 deficiency in me, at the same time vitamin D. So I was hardly able to write, and there was a lot of pain in my fingers. But then I wanted to write and to do something big. So I met Sohail's deadline as well as all the deadlines of publishers as well.
And just for my interest, how much time did you take to finish the book?
I took 1 year to draft the whole book through my intuition and gut feeling, but to make it a practical book and to make it more effective, it took another year. So 2 years in total.
Thanks. Okay, my next question to you, Mr. Yas.
Best quality opium that you find is in the bookstores. There is a how to do book for almost everything, except for when it comes to identifying.
A very interesting question. When you start reading his book or his draft, the first feel you get is the guy has been in trenches. A lot of books you write from some high authority as if you have reached Mount Everest and you are advising the world. He's more like, I'll say, rather than fatherly advice, is more like brotherly advice. Hey, I'm with you in the trench, don't worry. I'm going to hold your hand and let's figure out how to go do it, how to go further and so on. So that's the style of his writing. His experience from the trenches shows, and that is why it connects more. There are three connects for this book. Youngsters below 35, whomsoever I am touched with, I'm telling them like, just go get it and browse every day. And then there are people who have never been exposed to the modern technologies that currently IT industry uses. They need to catch up. And those people, and for people, other people, it's like a reference.